Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, and I'm here today to show you a recipe from The Pleasures of Cooking for One by Judith Jones. You can reserve this book on the NC Digital Library using your Greensboro Public Library card. Today we're going to be making an egg salad, and the ingredients that you're going to need are a couple of eggs, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise based on your preference, salt, pepper, and any additives of your choice. I had chose the dill pickle, but she recommends some other ones in her book. We need the spoon and the needle because we're going to use her method of puncturing the round side of the egg by gently tapping the needle with a spoon. And what this does is it helps while it's cooking to create separation between the egg membrane and the shell, which makes it easier for us to peel later. Now that we've punctured our eggs, we're going to place them into the pot and cover them with cold water right until the top of the eggs. Then we'll take them to the stove and get them boiling vigorously. And once they reach that point, you turn the stove off and you let them sit 20 minutes. So after they have had their time to fully cook, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the eggs from the hot water and place them into an ice bath using a slotted spoon or anything that you can find that will hold them and still let the water go through. Then it's time to go ahead and start cracking the eggs. So that way you can get the skin off. And what's nice is you can crack them all around and you'll feel the separation of that membrane once you start. And the egg shells will slide off of it very easily. This method also helps save more of the egg white. You're not losing so much egg like you do with the traditional method. But once that's all done, you can go ahead and start cutting off the egg. It should be cool to the touch from the water bath and maybe slightly warmed in the middle. And you can go ahead at this point and also prepare any additives that you want. The spices, get that all ready because we're going to go into combining it in the next little bit. And Judith mentions that it doesn't really matter the order in which you put this stuff in. I chose to put the mayonnaise and stuff in first to get it a little bit more creamier. And then I added in the pickles and then the salt and the pepper, and it gave a nice creamy filling like this. This is what you should come up with at the end of it with maybe your own touches. This is a sandwich with it on the inside, and then I also topped crackers with it, and it came out pretty good. Thank you all for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video of Cooking with NC Digital Library, and have a great day.